You have walked these roads, shops buzzing, rickshaws weaving, couples strolling under old trees. But have you ever wondered why it is called Mall Road? What lies beneath these paths, paved during a time not of freedom but of empire, a road built not for us but for them. British officers, marching boots, colonial clubs, hidden rules. Today it's a shopping hub. Yesterday it was the seat of control. Let's uncover the story of Mall Road, where power once walked and history still lingers. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. In this video we will talk about the history of Mall Road. But first we will discuss what is a Mall Road. During the British colonial era in the Indian subcontinent, Mall Road was short for marshalling area or main arterial leisure line, a road created in garrison towns for British officials. But it wasn't for shopping, it was a broad tree-lined avenue used for evening strolls, parades, and military processions. Civilians, especially locals, were often not allowed on these roads during certain hours. It was about prestige and power. The Mall Road wasn't just a street, it was a statement. History of Mall Roads. In the mid 1800s, as the British Raj expanded, they built cantonments across key cities Lahore, Rawalpindi, Murree, Peshawar, Delhi, and Shimla. Each cantonment had its own mall road, meant for the elite class, journals, commissioners, governors. Trees were planted on both sides to provide shade for colonial officers during their walks. Building lining these roads including the British clubs, now gymkhanas, churches, officer messes, and later government buildings and museums. Murray's Mall Road, for example, was modelled after the English hill station style. It was and still is built to impress. Even today, the architecture speaks of its British roots. Famous mall roads in Pakistan. Lahore Mall Road, one of the oldest, home to the Punjab Assembly, Lahore Museum, Governor House, and Edson College, a corridor of colonial power. Murree Mall Road, the hill station's crown jewel, built for British rest and recreation. No locals allowed at night then. Now it's a tourist magnet. Rawalpindi Mall Road, located in the old British cantonment surrounded by churches, banks, and military offices. Peshawar Mall Road, linked to British defence routes, still retain the old world charm and military significance. Sialkot, Abbottabad, Quetta all carry the same colonial blueprint, structured, segregated, symbolic. These roads were not built for ordinary people, but today they serve as the heart of bustling cities, a silent evolution. Now we will talk about some lesser known facts about them. The name mall has nothing to do with modern shopping malls. Most mall roads were strategically placed near cantonments to keep British officers separate from locals. Original mall roads followed British landscaping guidelines, trees planted exactly 10 to 15 feet apart, with benches every 100 meters. Many of the churches and clubs on mall roads are now heritage buildings. Some mall roads even off limits to Indians after sunset during the colonial era. Today, mall roads are full of life, shoppers, tourists, street vendors, laughing, and children. But beneath the surface, under every brick and tree, are echoes of the past of control, segregation, prestige. The next time you walk down one of Pakistan's mall roads, pause, look at the trees, the old lamps, the colonial buildings, and remember this road has been empire's rise and fall. From British boots to Pakistani footsteps, Mall Road has always been more than a street, it's a timeline, a living museum, a story still unfolding beneath our feet. I hope you will like this video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. I will meet you in the next video with some next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye from my side.